Hey guys, welcome back to the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild, and today we're gonna be cooking honey soy glazed salmon with asparagus and potatoes. Let's get into it. All right, we're gonna turn this Steelmade on medium-high heat. Get that going. We're gonna put our vegetables on first. All right, while that heats up, we're gonna make this honey soy glaze. Honey soy glaze is super easy. It's just 1 part to 1 part honey and soy. So we're gonna take some of our Firebee honey. I can measure this out, but I'm not going to. We're just doing 2 salmons today, so we don't need that much of a glaze. And the salmons that we were preparing today have been sitting in a marinade. So like I said, honey and then soy sauce. You'll just mix the texture. A little bit more. Flat top's heated up, and we're gonna throw down a little bit of butter that we made for a previous video, this garlic butter. All right, get that butter melted off. All right, asparagus on. We're gonna take a small handful, put that right on the flat top, get that nice and soft. And we also have these little baby potatoes. We're gonna season all of this with a seasoned mixture of paprika, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. You guys can do whatever you want at home, however you feel. All right, we've got our vegetables rolling. We got it on a pretty low heat so we can take our time on that. And we've got this side at a pretty medium heat so that we can get this salmon on and chart off pretty quickly. A little bit of olive oil. And we've got this salmon that's been in this marinade for about an hour. I'll put that marinade recipe in the description. Get that on. And then discard of that marinade. All right, we got our salmon cooking off. We'll give this a few flips on the potatoes. Getting a nice browning on the potatoes, which is what we want. And I'm not gonna flip those asparagus yet. That's what's happening underneath there as well. All right, and on this salmon, we could either temp it with a temperature gauge that most people have in their kitchens, or you can just take a look at the salmon and the rate of the white cooking up. If it's about halfway, then you can flip it and then get it cooking the other half of the way. The white is about halfway up to this first salmon, so I'm gonna give that a flip. And that looks a little dark, and that's just because of the marinade. We didn't burn anything. Get that plated up. Gotta roll away. All right, salmon's looking cooked through as well. Pull that off. And then immediately you want to get your soy glaze on there. Top it off with a little bit of rosemary, and then you've got your honey soy glazed salmon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next week, and don't forget to like and subscribe.